Welcome to Maker Monday with the Fairfax County Public Library. Hi, I'm Miss Anita from Burke Center Library, and I will be your host. Today we will be making red cabbage litmus paper to test the pH level of household substances. Why is it important to know whether something is an acid, base, or neutral? Let's find out. In life, acids and bases play an important role from digesting our food to helping us figure out which products are safe to use. Sometimes you need to clean a window or unclean a drain or even brush your teeth, and we need to use the right product for the job. Some acids and bases are very strong and can be dangerous to handle. This is why it is important to know the strength of the pH level in whatever household products you will encounter. The red cabbage is an indicator of how much acid or base is in a product. When the litmus paper changes to certain colors, it gives us a clue to how much pH level an item contains. Water is a neutral and will show no change in color. Here is a color chart to guide you with pH levels. Here are the materials needed to make the red cabbage litmus paper. You need red cabbage, knife with parental supervision, stovetop with parental supervision, coffee filters or paper towels, scissors with parental supervision, and household items to test for the pH level. First, you need to cut the red cabbage into strips. Next, you want to take the cabbage apart and put it into a large stock pot. After all the cabbage is in, you want to cover it probably with a cup or two of water. The next step is to boil your red cabbage on medium-high for about 10 minutes. The water should become a deep purple color. After letting your red cabbage mixture cool down for 10 to 15 minutes, you need to get your parent to help you strain the mixture. Now we're ready to make our litmus paper. Dip your paper towel into the mixture and place it on a cookie sheet to dry. I'll also show you a coffee filter. Dip it in, let it soak up all that juice, and then put it on the cookie sheet to dry. Once the paper towels are dry, cut them into strips so that you can do some testing. Let's test out our homemade litmus strips. Here I have baking soda. I mixed it with a little bit of water. When I put our litmus strip in, look at that, it changes to green. Green means that it's a base. What do you think about apple cider vinegar? Would it be a base or an acid? Let's test it out. This one stays pink. And pink means it's acidic. What kinds of things can you find in your house? Here I have a Coca-Cola. What do you think it would be? Is it an acid or a base? Have fun testing things around the house. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on making red cabbage litmus paper, and will join us again for Maker Mondays with the Fairfax Public Library. Bye for now!